happy birthday to me. Maybe they're hiding behind the door? The room is empty. No balloons, no gifts. It's my double-digit birthday. I'm 10. Am I invisible today? Dad? Mom, Dad? Good morning, Mom.
Not now, Leo. I have a huge meeting. Eat your cereal.
But Mom, look at the calendar.
Oh, the dry cleaning. I'm so behind.
Move aside, pal. I'm blocking the driveway.
Dad, wait, do you know what day today is?
Not now, champ. Be a big boy today.
Big boys don't get birthdays? Hey, Leo, want to play soccer? Yeah, because it's a special day, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday. Best day for soccer. Just Tuesday? What else would it be? Come on, play or move. I don't want to play. If I don't feel 10, maybe I'm still 9. Maybe birthdays just stop when you grow up.
They are all laughing. No one sees me.
I'm a ghost. I won't ask again. If they forgot, I'll forget too. I'll go to my room. I'll stay in the dark.
Happy birthday, Leo!
What?
Happy 10th day, Leo!
Did you think we forgot our favorite person?
You didn't say my name all day.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry.
Because we wanted the whole world to say it at once.
You all acted so mean. No, Leo, we acted quiet, so the surprise would be loud. My gift first. A cape? You felt invisible today. Put this on. Now you're a superhero. Super Leo.
This was mine when I was 10.
It's beautiful, Dad.
It always points north. Just like you, Leo. No matter how busy we are, our hearts always point to you.
And this.
What is it?
Every morning, you can pull one out. It's a note telling you why you are special. So you never have to wonder if we see you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dio.
Make a wish, Leo.
My wish already came true.
Blow the candles anyway, champ.
I wish for more birthdays like this.
Yay! Happy birthday, Leo!
Here you go, Mom. Thank you, sweetie. Your turn, Dad.
Delicious!
Dad, do you feel invisible? When you were 10?
Sometimes. The world is a busy place. Sometimes adults get lost in the noise.
I thought I didn't matter.
You matter more than anything. We just wanted to give you a story you'd never forget.